Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to take you through some of the most asked questions around our saree silhouettes and blouses. So let's get started. Our top two popular colors are obviously black and nude, and we have a range of nudes for you to choose from. I recommend you going with a darker color and a lighter color so that you can pair the darker one with all of your darker sarees and a lighter one with all of your lighter sarees. When it comes to brides, our most popular colors are Pinot Noir, Mauve, and Liquid Gold, especially for the Manavara sarees. These are fail-safe ways, and these are just our most popular choices by our brides. So if you do want to match it right to your Manavara or Kura saree, this is the perfect way to do it. When it comes to blouses, I like to keep it simple. Our two popular blouses are, first, the one I'm wearing, which is the black lace crop. This comes in 5 different colors, and then the birthday crop. Why I like these two is that this one you can really dress down and it's far more comfortable and a little less flashy than this one. What I like about our birthday crop in rose gold is that it literally goes with everything, even your gold bordered sarees. I feel like this is the perfect all-in-one blouse. This also comes in a deeper neck, but I personally like the boat neck, and I will leave links down below of all of the looks I've created with this particular blouse because it's such a versatile blouse. Our third most asked question is, what about pregnancy? Do you offer maternity sizes? And the way I think about pregnancy in our saree silhouettes is I'm 4 months pregnant right now, and I'm wearing my XS, which is my regular size. I found that with my previous pregnancy, I was able to wear my regular size until about month 7 or 8, and then I sized up in the last few months of pregnancy. Now this is obviously going to differ for everyone, and everyone's pregnancy and body is different. And so what we recommend is waiting until as close to the event that you need to wear it for as possible, and then measuring yourself, and you can email our team to figure out which is the right size for you. And that's it. I just really wanted to create this short video to answer 3 of our most asked questions with product so you can really see for yourself what I'm talking about. If you have any questions on sizing or any other questions, feel free to email hello@tiabhuva.com. I will leave all of this information below in the description box. So if you do have any questions, feel free to email us. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in a future video.